My correct people, una welcome back to Krista TV. Depending on the time you are coming across our video, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my people. And please do not always forget to subscribe to our channel as we dey deliver ogbonge correct aproko. So my people, we don't carry information about wetin dey sup between Yul Edochie with his ex-wife May Edochie and his current wife Judy Austin, known as Judy Ekwensu. So my people, the information reaching to us today was that una know say Yul Edochie left his previous wife, Queen May, and went ahead to marry Queen Judy Austin or Judy Ekwensu. But according to people believe say Yul Edochie no use im eyes dey do wetin im dey do. Say dem strongly believe say na for bottle Judy Austin take tie Yul Edochie wey make Yul Edochie dey behave anyhow. So my people even sef Judy Austin sef don born two correct fine boys for Yul Edochie, meaning say matter don close o. She kwechili there. So my people una also, since Yul Edochie left Queen May, Queen May has been exploring, like going far and doing well in her life. Because I remember say when Yul Edochie still dey marry Queen May, her life was never moving fine. Like her world was never going well at all. But since Yul Edochie left her to that Judy Ekwensu, to that Ekwensu woman, her life has been moving very fine. In fact, she has been exploring in different aspects, traveling from one country to other, traveling around the world. My people. So the thing with the gist wey reach to us currently now be say Queen May Edochie just bought one new private jet for herself. Is this not wonderful? Is this not beautiful, my people? Is this not beautiful, my people? You see this grace, this grace, this grace na too much. This grace wey fine Queen May up, e dey too much. So my people, we also heard that allegedly, we also heard that since Queen May bought this new private jet, Judy Austin and Yul Edochie has never been happy. In fact, the happiness never come their life since the information reached to them that Queen May bought a private jet. Yul Edochie has been posting everywhere for his social media handle, posting rubbish and saying, Okwa Akwana, you use this one, Akwana, use this one, Akwana, use this one, Akwana, use this one. My people, I say make I tell una something, make I do una something. Shey una see Yul Edochie, I believe say im go later regret this thing wey im do by leaving Queen May to Judy Ekwensu. My people, by leaving Queen May to Judy Ekwensu, I don't know the reason why a full grown man go just allow Ekwensu use am work for im beautiful family, for beautiful and wonderful family wey im dey build, dey arrange, dey coordinate since. So my people na the information wey we say make we reach, na the information wey we say make we deliver, make we give una, tell una say na dis thing dey sup o. So my people, our beautiful and always happy Queen May is doing very fine. She is doing absolutely wonderfully fine. She's doing fine. So my people, na this aproko we say make we carry gist to now. So my people, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel after listening and enjoying our aprokos. Do not always forget to click on the subscribe button to follow us for more aprokos, because my people, we are legit, like we are legit, my people. So thank you and thank you and thank you for listening. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. Amen.